Welcome to the Brownville County Park. We stayed here for one night. This park is beautiful. It's got plenty of trees and shade, has a bathhouse with a shower. It's a little bit old, but it's clean. Very nice lady, volunteer taking care of it. This is the Peace River. If you want to come here, you can go up the road and you can rent a kayak. They'll put you out on the river and pick you up later. See all these nice trees with the Spanish moss hanging out of them? We enjoyed our time here. We'd come back. I'm trying to remember, it wasn't very expensive. I think it was $33.15 a night. Had water and electric. Has a dump station. It's a good place to come. Look at our camper. This is where we're staying. We got a kitchen. We got everything we need in there. This is some of the birds you'll see. If you want it, they got a lot of nature trails. There's the kayaks and the canoes. So y'all try this. This is on the Peace River. I put a map on here to show location. This is the breakfast we had that morning. If you like this movie, like and subscribe to my channel and share, please. It'll help me a lot. This is a location of Brownville County Park. It's near Arcadia, Florida.